My name is Mikee Inton. I'm a professor here at De La Salle University, the Department of Communication. I teach media studies. My specialty is sexuality and media. Movies aren't like the real life. Movies are our novels of today. So these are our primary means of storytelling nowadays. And the myths created through filmmaking and movies and consuming these movies are also reinforced by other forms of the media. My approach is that the movies themselves actively shape the way we think about romance, the way we think about our own personal relationships. I see the effects as a reification of already existing discourses about romance, that the point of being alive is to find your soulmate. And of course we know that this isn't real. There's more to life than just, targeting your specific someone and then marrying them. There is so much more to life than that. And the world of Filipino romantic comedies makes it appear as if the pursuit of romance is the most important thing in the world, when again, we know that that's not true. Well, they're both good and bad. So for 2.5 hours, our lives seem complete. There's a beginning, there's a middle, there's an end, and all the conflicts are resolved. So that's a good escape, I think. But at the same time, if you overly indulge in these romantic comedies, you get all these ideas about love and you can't find them in your own life, so your life feels empty. So no matter how good you think you are or how deserving you think you are of love, if you can't find it like you do in the movies, you're not going to be happy, you're not going to be fulfilled. And I think the negative effects far outweigh the positive effects, because if people will tend to believe that what happens in the movies is also what happens in real life, then we're all screwed. So if you examine the plot of many of these movies, it's not a good thing what these things talk about. But really, if you take a closer look at how possessive and focused and obsessed these characters are with each other, they're not good values. So what do college students have to learn from them? I Hopefully what they learn is that these things don't happen in real life, and that if you're spending all of your energy and money and effort and time on one single person, that's not a good model for a relationship, because you have to be able to take care of yourself as well. And again, that also entails, a life away from this romantic partner. So you have to be able to develop your own life on your own. Hopefully they deal with romantic comedies, or they take romantic comedies as merely a form of entertainment. That they realize that these things are not real, that these things are not supposed to happen in real life. So I hope they treat it as a source of entertainment. We shouldn't take movies and all the media in general as something that's divorced from our everyday practice. So the way we live our lives every day is affected by our use of the media, and vice versa.